Hi, and welcome to another episode of Girl You Always Sewing Something. Today I am doing a pattern review on this new look pattern. It is a wrap dress. It's wrap dress season, you guys. I am proud of myself. I made 2 wrap dresses in one day, finishing off this wrap dress today. So this wrap dress, I wouldn't say it is a beginner friendly wrap dress. However, you could come into problems with your facing and just top stitching. Top stitching is the core stitching that you actually see. But this was a really quick sew, nothing really too complicated. So I made this, you have to make this dress out of a knit fabric. I made this out of a gray knit fabric. And it has the facing. Of course, you put your interfacing in it. And for a novice, that may be the most challenging part in top stitching it. But it was really easy. It's a video already out here that has been done, so there's no need to reinvent the wheel. The video was nice, it was clear. Actually, it was a Mimi G video, so you can always check out her page and see this wrap dress, sew along with her and make it. I will show you the second wrap dress I made, and you'll see the 2 different looks. One, I made this in to my knee, a knee length dress. The other one, oh, I got really creative, you guys. I did a floor length one with no facing. So that may be, and I used bias binding tape because I didn't have enough fabric, so I had to improvise. But that's that wrap dress. I'll show you the other wrap dress I made. Same pattern, totally 2 different looks, slight modifications. Okay, same pattern, just different modifications. So just imagine you can take a regular commercial pattern, make some modifications, make it your own, you know, make it your own. I wouldn't suggest this for a novice. However, a little bit above a novice seamstress can easily make this. And you can make it if you're a novice, I believe, with a tutorial, you know. And like I said, there's one out there. All you have to do really is just make the dress longer. So for this wrap dress right here, I did not use facing. It was just too long. It was way too long. I ran out of fabric. So instead, this is an ITY knit 4-way stretch fabric. If you ever sewn with ITY, I do not like sewing with ITY because it stretches all over the place. And a lot of times you have to cut it to modify it. But I didn't have to do any cutting with this, so I'm excited. Let me zoom the camera in as I get closer. So I just did a top stitch for the neckline. Instead of doing that facing, you won't be able to see it. But I use bias tape. I use bias tape to go all around. Let me just show you the inside of the garment. I gotta open it up a little bit. Sorry for the... But look at that again. Can we say yes, yes, yes to the dress? All right. Can we say yes to this? All right, so let me open it up. Okay, so I turned the dress inside out so you can see. Because it's an ITY fabric, I use ribbon. I suggest you use ribbon if you're using any stretch knit fabric for the shoulders. That's just me personally. I did not match my threads, you guys. I don't care. It's my personal garment. Not too concerned about matching threads. So I have black zigzag thread going down. Anytime you're using a stretch stitch, you may find yourself using a zigzag stitch. I serged the rest of it and just did a nice continuing seam all the way down to keep it clean, a nice clean finish. For the neck area, I used bias tape. You can't see it because of course I folded over and I put like 2 or 3 stitches in it to kind of hold it down. So that's the inside of the garment. The belt area, I used a zigzag stitch to do my belt area just because it's more of a sturdy stitch. So I did not hem the bottom of the dress. It just really was no need to for me. I just left it the way it was cut and kind of just let it hang all the way down to the floor. And I wanted the dress to stop right at the top of my toe. So Next time, what will I do different? This is an excellent pattern. No modifications needed whatsoever. The only thing I would do different from myself is buy 4 yards of fabric instead of purchasing 3. If you want a long maxi dress, do 5 yards of fabric. You'll have that nice gather flowy kind of look going on. So that was it. This was an excellent sew. I'm going to make a few more of these dresses. So I've already made 2. I'll probably make 2 more and have 4 wrap dresses. Yep, that's how much I like it. It's easy to put on, it's comfortable, and it's a quick sew. So please like, rate, and subscribe. Any comments, anything you would have done differently, let me know. I can always learn. I'm always in a learning mode. We'll always be learning when it comes to sewing. I'm sure some of you guys out there can sew circles around me. So open to any suggestions. Thank you. Have a good one.